Lifesmart is like one of the ultimate grilling companies in the country. We've got gold star standards. Whether you're using our portable reversible griddle, or one of our 15-inch, 18-inch, or even larger Kamado grills, or our pellet grills, we really are the gold standard in grilling. These Kamado grills, which I'll show you too, these are year-round grilling. Okay, Kamado Cooking, it's ceramic. Okay, Kamado Cooking is really a 3,000-year-old technology that we brought into the 21st century. Okay, this grill will hold heat because of the thick ceramic material that it's made of. You can see we put a felt rim around it so it locks in all that heat when the lid is closed. We've added a beautiful thermometer on the front that tells you exactly the temperature inside the grill. And what's great about Kamado Cooking is you can cook from 180 degrees all the way up to 800 degrees for searing steaks. It works with not just regular charcoal briquettes, but what we like to use are lump hardwood charcoal. Okay, there's no fillers in here. There's no lighter fluid in here. This is natural lump hardwood charcoal. It burns cleaner. I think it makes the food taste much better because you never get that lighter fluid taste in your food. It's using real hardwood lump charcoal that makes the difference in these. You can add wood chunks, like if you have a cherry or an apple wood or a hickory that you want to add to it, or the chips, you can add those in with the charcoal to give you that smoky flavor. But what's great about our Kamado grills is that it gives you that, you can, it's like 6 in 1. You can smoke, you can bake, you can grill. You can literally do just about everything from your shrimp and scallops to steaks and burgers to baking a cornbread or baking mac and cheese. Dude, smoked mac and cheese inside of here with that true charcoal flavor and that true charcoal, just the whole persona of grilling has changed with charcoal. You know, everybody's using these gas grills now, which are fine. But if you have a gas grill and you've been thinking about maybe trying a Kamado grill, but been a little bit nervous about the price, check out our prices on our 15-inch Kamado grill. It's a great accessory to any grill that you may have at home already.